Hi, my name is Ashima Dhingra and I'm from Dubai. So I came all the way from Dubai just to attend this retreat and to connect with all my community members. And the biggest takeaway which I am taking from this retreat is connecting with my community members, coming out from that Zoom section to go to connecting all of them live, and that was such a beautiful feeling. Thanks to my mentor Nandita ma'am and thanks to this beautiful community. Thank you. Thera art has helped me heal beautifully from inside and to connect with my inner self and to heal my own wounds. It has healed. It has given me especially that Neurographica art has helped me so much. The thing which surprised me the most was the activity which we did, the detachment activity which we did during the retreat, painting that the jute bag and doing that activity was really amazing, and that was the one thing I really enjoyed. And the second thing was the morning meditation which we did with Mridvika, that mirror activity, that was really amazing. Yes, of course, 100% I would recommend. And why I will recommend is this is the one retreat that everyone should attend and come experience it, the healing through heart, and come and heal yourself.
Hi, I'm Sheetal Punjabi and I'm from Mumbai. This event has been wonderful and the experience has been something very new, something very unique, something I've never done before. And my huge and biggest takeaway from the journey with this event is clearly that only when we take that leap are we going to know what is on the other side. And only when we jump there will we know whether we are taking it forward, leaving it there, taking it with our purpose, or going ahead to something new. So that's my biggest takeaway from it. So I'm not at all an artist from birth. There's never been any lineage towards drawing and coloring, in fact an aversion. So coming into this has helped to clear a lot of blocks, to be at ease with my own imperfections, to find strength, peace, harmony with the way I want to lay things out. And that's what has stayed with me the deepest and the strongest. What surprised me the most is that I actually I jumped at it impromptu, but I enjoyed the entire journey. I enjoyed the entire process, and not only has it helped me, it's made me realize that I can take it forward, to spread it out, to make an impact into another person's life for the joy that I received from this. Of course, I would recommend it to everybody who A is looking for something different to do, B is wanting to heal themselves, and is on the journey of healing and being aware and around to help others.
So I am from Delhi. My name is Mani Khurana, and my biggest takeaway from this retreat is that there is success and happiness on the other side of fear. And today I've made my video and put it on Instagram, and it was an instant video. I just thought of the script, and within a minute I had the video done and I posted it. Art therapy has impacted me in such a big way. It's changed me completely. I mean, the theme of this Artera is rising from the ashes to become a phoenix, and that's literally what I've become. I've transformed like a butterfly. I think I'd recommend it to everyone. And why would I recommend it? Because it completely changes your life. It heals you, transforms you, and empowers you. And what could be better than that? To lead an independent life full of freedom and happiness and joy, and true joy. I'm talking about true joy, a joy from the full heart.
Hi, I'm Yasmin. I belong to Goa. My biggest takeaway from this retreat is from my offline classes, I'm going to soon plunge into my online classes. Thank you so much. I have healed myself. Now I'm on the journey of healing others. My journey has been so beautiful, and I would want others to go through the same journey as mine. So I would 100% recommend LCA to everyone. Hi everyone, this is Matangi and I'm coming from Mumbai for this art retreat. And my biggest takeaway for this art retreat is gratitude. I'm glad I'm here today. 100% recommend because it's a place where you interact with wonderful women, get to know their lives and understand you are all in the same boat. And the journey doesn't come with one person and you go as a group. It's beautiful. It's like evolving.
Hello everyone, I am Surbhi. I am from Indore and I am at the Artera Art Retreat at Jaipur and I'm loving every bit of it. So the biggest takeaway for me from this retreat has been letting go of what is holding me back. I have let myself hold so much since past 9 to 10 years and I'm ready to let go of every fear that I have, which is most importantly I had the fear of like failure, of meeting new people and talking to strangers. I know I'm very talented, but then something or the other has stopped me always. So I'm ready to let go and this retreat has helped me a lot after meeting women from all walks of life and from all over India. I feel confident meeting them and I feel so relatable to them. And I thank Nandita ma'am for creating this community and to all the women who are part of LCA. Thank you. Thera Art helped me take decisions, quick and fast decisions. It helped me take actions. The biggest surprise was that I am not the only one facing so many situations in life, and there are other women having situations even worse, but they're showing up for themselves. I'll definitely recommend this retreat to other people, women especially, because it has helped me a lot and in very surprising ways. So I'll definitely recommend it to women.
Hi, I'm Suma Kandaraj. I'm from Madurai, Temple City. And the biggest takeaway from this art retreat is that I have cleared the biggest storm that I had inside. And from the moment I'm going to go to my hometown, I'm going to solidly and selfishly work for myself. So that's it. Thank you. Thera Art has done so many things when it comes to my physical health as well as my mental health. So the mind and body connection, it is going super handy. So that way Thera Art is a biggest boon in my life, I would say. The best part of the retreat was the morning meditation and the holy part where we just threw colors on each other. And to be frank, like I haven't celebrated Holi even once in my lifetime. So this was a beautiful moment. I would solidly recommend this retreat for women who are just stuck with their routine and chores, because every woman should take a break from their routine, which is never going to end. So you have to break and you have to travel and get all the best things from these kind of retreats.
Hi, this is Tinsi from Mumbai. The biggest takeaway is healing myself and taking actions towards my goals. Art therapy has healed me mentally and physically. The surprise was the morning meditation with dance. It was amazing, and the way we had to do the mirror dancing with the partner, that was the beautiful part. I would definitely recommend to the women who are so busy in their lives, and also instead of going for a holiday, do this kind of a retreat which will also mentally and physically heal you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Mansi and I'm from Delhi. The biggest takeaway from this retreat is like I gained so much of clarity in what I have to do next in my life journey, and I have already chosen this path to walk on this journey, and every direction is clear, and every experience that I have felt here, like how I connected with my emotions, expressed it on paper and using different materials, like different techniques that we did, it was truly an eye-opening experience and I could connect deeper with my own self. So I already
belong to a creative industry, and coming back from a creative background, I always looking for a place where I could express my emotions freely. So this therapeutic art techniques that I have learned at Life Canvas Academy has really helped me to deep dive into my own inner self, connect with my own inner child, and deliver what my truest form of self, express it through my own emotions. And it's a very deep connection, because in my life journey I was not able to express fully, so this is the only platform where everything worked as a therapy for me. The meditation that we did, the mirror image of the body forms, how the rhythms we were trying to mirror the other person, so that was something very unusual for me, I would say. And the last activity which we did, where we were exchanging the canvas of different people, so that was really unique to know that how different people reflect on what is coming your way and what is your perspective when you see different directions in your life. I would 100% recommend to all the creative souls who are looking for their inner calling, just grab the opportunity and experience this beautiful transformational experience.
I'm Gitanjali Agarwal and I'm from Panchkula, Haryana. So my biggest takeaway is just heal yourself, do it with action, and take action and face your fear. Thera Heart has healed me a lot, and it has become my life, because it now through Thera Heart I have reflected myself, my inner child, and I have rewritten my story. I love mirror activity because that was the physical activity totally different that I attended first time, and detachment activity because then I came to know how to detach myself and how to let go. If I can heal myself, then others can also heal. So it is very important for every person to transform themselves.
I was so surprised when I came here. I thought I had healed. But as you go deeper with the therapies and the art experience, it connects you to yourself, inner self. And there were things coming up again to be released. So healing is never complete. I understood that. My biggest takeaway is that action. I just have to keep on taking and going towards my goal. However small my step may be, but the direction and the vision should be clear. In the daily life, we lose our connection to ourselves. We lose our connection to our inner voice. So when you are in such retreats and you are meeting people, like-minded people like you get to know and you get to learn so much more about yourself when you are connecting to yourself, which is not possible in otherwise in life.
Strong.